Imagine your animated character talking. Sounds tricky, right? Well, before we get started, first watch this video.
Hey Alex, guess what? I just discovered this amazing free voiceover tool that can make any character talk.
No way. I've always wanted to make my characters come alive. How does it work?
Exactly, and it's super easy to use. Plus, when you combine it with Canva's animation tools, you can create lip-sync magic.
Alright guys, we are gonna learn how to make this talking character animation Canva. Now make a new video project. But first, we will learn some basic way to create it. To do that, go to Elements, then search for talking characters. Make sure you click this 3 hamburger icon. Then select Only Animated. Now select any one of them. This looks nice. Then go to voice generator like Elven Labs to generate your speech. After generating your speech, download the file. Come back to Canva. Upload that speech back to Canva. Then upload in the video. Make some adjustment to match the lip sync. If you are not satisfied, then you can select other character. Now you know the basic. Let's move on to our main topic. Now let's create our main character video. To this website called Adobe Animate Your Voice. Then click Start. Here you will find lots of character to choose from. Now upload your voice. It will take some time to process. Then click Download. After downloading it, bring back to Canva. Bring it to Design. Remove its background. Do the same for other character as well. And make some adjustment. Now here is a trick. You need to click on flip so that they are looking like they are facing each other's. Get a matching background. Nice, and here you can adjust to make them look like they are talking to each other. Final trick is to get one character from Canva. Then cover the mouth with rectangle tool. Then again go to Adobe. Filter mouth. Then upload your voiceover. Now bring back to Canva. Then remove background to see the magic. Finally, make sure you download the file in MP4 format.